that's okay. I'll fix it for you. Matt fix it, yes. That's okay. You can leave it off and you can play with Thomas first. Oh, you got it. Good job. What a good boy. Yeah, good. You're very patient. Very good, Joshua.
Yeah.
No, I want you to spin Thomas backward and then you put it on there. Let Thomas run.
Okay, well, I appreciate
Uh-oh.
it, man.
Uh-oh.
I mean, we're definitely, we want to go, you know. I mean, now we don't have this thing on Saturday night, you know, it's a perfect time. You know, it should be a lot of fun, man. I mean, when the games are boiled, this should be great. I mean, come on. So,
Turn around, buddy. The other side. Turn around.
So I appreciate it, man. And we'll talk about it in the middle of the week and stuff about how you want to go about it now. Patty's talking about wanting to go too, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on another ticket for her and just, you know, we'll just make the best. You know, if we have to squeeze in or do something, we'll figure out something. But you really want to go really bad. So,
Okay.
try to get there about noon, you know, and
Can you put Thomas on there first? Put Thomas on the track. Move Thomas backward and have Thomas spin on the track. Come on. I'm videotaping. Send it to Yaya now. 1, 2, 3. Move backward. The other way. Okay, that's okay. Can you put Thomas on there? Have Thomas running on it?
people from Ohio and stuff are going or something.
Move Thomas. Put Thomas. Abby just hungry, that's all. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Hi, baby. Hi, Abby. How are you? Oh, you're such a good baby. You're such a good baby. Alright. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Joshua.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Yaya.
Bye-bye.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy first. Kisses too. Joshua, kisses too. Mwah. Good job.